Hello, hello, hello. What is going on, my friends? It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading, and we are ready for another DOD day of trading. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let's get this other stream going. Good morning, TikTok. As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. My ad is Team Bull Trading, and this live is starting at 6:38 a.m. Mountain Time. Mountain Time. Mountain Time. All right, let's get it. Was good, Team Bull. Good morning. Top of the AM. What's going on, money team? Should have started out with order filled. Good morning, Portia Dunn. Was good. Jalapeno B. Rose was good. What's up, my friend? I'm on a little earlier today, huh? I missed you guys. Jdun, let's get a Spurs versus Denver playoff. Oh, please. Except for I'd be a little worried about that. Wemby's no joke. I mean, Wemby don't play around. Talking no games. Hey, you know what they say? Early bird gets the worm. I want the worm. Where's my worm? Weren't I a sports bettor before a trader? No, I was not a sports bettor. I'm actually horrific at sports betting. I'm not a good sports bettor. I don't put enough time into it. Maybe if I studied data and if I had an edge, I would do it, but I just bet on teams that I like, honestly. Even if I'm not taking a trade, this chat is one of my favorite places to be. Let's go. I had such a fire leg day yesterday. Literally so fire. $14 prime, I'll take you up on that. I love me a nice steakhouse. That's one of my favorite joys in life, is a nice, juicy steak. Barracuda. I will forever be waiting to see a pull of the GT2 in chat one day. I haven't really driven it. I'm actually keeping the miles very low in that car. Keeping the miles extremely low on the GT2. It's an investment car. I need suggestion on a good video to set up my Thinkorswim. Honestly, I don't have one. I'm sorry. I genuinely don't have one. I haven't really seen one that I've liked. Why did you decide to go Porsche? Because I wanted something different. I didn't want it to be a Lambro anymore. And I love Lambos, but I feel like they're kind of like overplayed on social media. And anyone can get a hurt. Not anyone, but a lot of people can get a Huracan these days. You can't go rent a GT2 RS. You ain't gonna lease a GT2 RS. It's a $500,000 plus car. I think my GT2 will be worth $800K plus one day, up to $1 million, if I keep the miles really low. I bought it for $510. I don't have a suggestion. I'm sorry. I don't know a good video for you. Don't. What a steal. House on wheels. Yeah, it's pretty crazy, huh? When you really think about it, it's actually pretty crazy. Passed my eval now on my first funded. Congrats, bro. What does insurance cost on a car like that? I bundle my insurance. And I have a decent driving record the past 5 years. It's gotten better, so. I pay like $1,700 a month for all of my cars combined. That's including the Storado, the Porsche, the truck, and the Honda. So it's not bad. All things considered, it's not terrible. Could be worse, for sure. Humble Honda insurance is probably $1,500 out of the $1,700. Yeah, facts. I need maximum level coverage. Am I catching you, bangers? So I actually can't stick around as long today. I'll only be around until about 10:30 Eastern time, 10:45 Eastern time. I have something very important to do at 9 or 11 Eastern time, 9 Colorado time, Mountain time. Good morning, Kent. Good morning, everybody. Hey, if you're new here early on TikTok, I appreciate you hitting that follow button, hitting that like button, tapping that screen over and over, and same with YouTube. I appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up. If you're ready to choose DOD today, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. I'm thinking. I got a big picture on my wall that is painted discipline over dopamine equals success. That is dope. That's fire, bro. Should send me a picture of it on Instagram if you get a second. Top speed I've hit in the Lamb. Allegedly, they said I went 160 one time. They is someone. Definitely not the cops. I wouldn't have a license. Cause I'm DOD. I'm disciplined. DOD. And I'm locked back in. Jdun, let's get a banger today, DOD. Yeah, baby, let's go. I have learned something new from your psychology and trading. It's really good. Love you. I love you too. Thank you. Any recommendations for skiing in Colorado? Depends on your skill level, your budget, and when. All those things matter. Cause I'm DOD. Order filled. DOD. Watch the price gap fill. DOD. And you already know. DOD. My stop loss better not blow. Oh man, we got to get ourselves. See, Pony said just got approved for another 10K payout from Apex this morning. Let's go. If you're around, you should post that in the Discord, bro. You should post that in the post your gain section. If you post that in the post your gain section, I'll shout it out big time. I think it'd be dope to see. First time here, can you explain DOD? I think you're better off just watching it in live action. It's discipline over cheap, garbage, self-sabotaging, manipulative, useless dopamine. Good morning, Pradog. Good morning, everybody that's joining in. Welcome back to the DOD live stream. Do you want to recommend me any music playlist for sitting in long trading charts? I mean, I like my deep bass, EDM, whatever you want to call it. It's not like EDM, but it is EDM. It's beats. Did I work out today? No, I don't work out in the morning, bro. I work out after I trade. I ate this morning. I've recently changed my diet up to where I've been eating 5 meals a day, so I've been eating breakfast. I'm trying to gain weight. Trying to put some weight on my frame. I used to fast. I don't fast anymore. I think there's a lot of benefits to intermittent fasting, but I am trying to gain weight. And given that I'm extremely tall and my body type just needs food and needs calories, I just have to eat more. So that's what I've been doing. More carbs, still meat with every meal. Still beating my meat every day, don't worry. I got to take it out of the freezer, unthaw it, and then like bash it out so it's all flat. Otherwise, it stays in a block. How much are you eating? 5 meals a day, 8 ounces of meat at least per meal, plus some sort of carb. 2 protein shakes. Oh my gosh, Chef Henry, right? That's facts. You move to Miami and get right with Chef Henry. That's on God. That would be amazing. Explain your orb strategy. I don't even call it the orb really anymore. So I don't do whey and I also don't do vegan. I have a grass-fed carnivore protein that is, it's made from, I'll just send you guys a picture. I'll bring it to the stream tomorrow or something. It's really good. It's super easy on my stomach, and I don't do dairy or gluten. So I don't do soy, dairy, gluten, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors. I'm pretty dialed in when it comes to healthy eating. Talk about trading, not your diet. Bro, the market don't even open for 35 minutes. Okay, guys, let's analyze every one of these pre-market moves. Come on, bro. Trust, if you stick around long enough, we'll walk in. If it's like most days, we'll make some bread in the first hour and a half. Today, I can't stick around super long, so usually I'll stick around until like 9:30, 10 Mountain Time, so like noon Eastern Time. I started trading when I was 20. Yesterday, we caught a banger. That long was baller. The first one waked me up by a point for a 6-7 point loss, but that second win was awesome. Anyone hold that? Any of you guys hold that long call out yesterday? What up, Grizzly Glock? Bro, I was on real early. I've been on for like 10, like 15 minutes. Yep, it's vibing. How's your morning been, bro?
Good, hit a push day.
Nice.
I usually try to hit push days on Friday as well. I guess I'll have to do a full day.
Oh, we love a tall king. Unfortunately, according to the social media haters, I am a short king. So I cannot join you in that category. I'm a Sasquatch. I always say I want to go to Japan. They'll think freaking Godzilla came back. Who's that? What's that tall thing over there? Why is there a giraffe walking around? Who opened the zoo doors? Trade? Jdun, I joined your stream. There's 31 minutes till open. I demand a trade right now. What's wrong with you? My personality is not here. You know what? Fine. You guys want to take a trade? Order filled. Guys, trade filled. You guys heard it. You guys heard the order filled. I'm in the trade. Can everyone stop itching now? Jdun, take a trade, please. What's wrong with y'all? Both ways. No, I didn't get in any trade. I was joking with people that said I needed a trade. So it's a joke. Jdun swings both ways is crazy. Gaydun might, but Paydun just gets paid. Unfortunately for the haters, they don't get to call me the mean names unless I lose, which does not happen often. Which, unfortunately for them, does not happen often. I would say Gaydun is crazy. It is crazy. Someone said that one time. I was like, I can't even be mad. Like, that's hilarious. Why you stop trading options? I stopped a while ago. I'm not opposed to it. Jaquan Dunn. Why? I was finally telling everyone yesterday that my people were asking about what Jdun stands for, and it stands for my name is Jurassic Dunn. My mom had a choice between two names, Jaquan and Jurassic, and she loved dinosaurs, so she chose Jurassic Dunn. But that's hard to say. It just takes a lot of effort to say and to put into sentence, so instead, we just go with Jdun. Nice and easy. Guys, please don't spam the YouTube chat. I got to put you in timeout. I don't want to put you in timeout. We keep vibes good here. We don't tolerate the BS on this channel. Someone said I need winning trade, Jdun, or my family is gonna starve. All right, well that's no pressure at all. Please, Jdun, give me a winning trade, or I will starve. Well, good thing for you, buddy. We have DOD and 2-bar setup. I will not let you starve. I will not let you starve, my friend. Got a W with Gene last night. Yep, Gene killed it in Asia. Gene's been going ham on Asia. He's gotten consistent payouts just from trading Asia. It's impressive. Bro's got way more patience than I do. Bro has all the patience. He kills it. He dominates it for sure. Yeah, Gene trades Asia every afternoon now on this YouTube channel. So if you guys want to trade Asia with him, press the bell icon on this YouTube. You see it next to my name and press all. It will notify you when Gene goes live for Asia. He's been killing it, getting consistent payouts. And you can see here, hey, if you've joined Gene's live streams on this YouTube channel, have you gotten value from them? Is it worth you getting on in the afternoon or evening, or if that's what you want to do? Show my boy Gene some love if you trade Asia with him. Artif said yes. Gene is the bomb. Yes, he kills it. He's really book smart too. That man is really smart. Yeah, Gene goes live every day and teaches. In Asia. I mean, he'll go through his strategy and what he's trading. What? I just won't be talking sometimes. I will not be talking constantly. We got 24 more minutes till market open. You link all your accounts together in Tradeovate. You create a group and then link all those accounts in the same group. Gene started trading and learning from me 4 years ago. One 1-800-collect. That's what you're gonna call today. You call 1-800-collect. Jdun's gonna help you collect some bread from the market. Call 1-800-DOD. Get your daily dose of discipline. Jdun and Gina. That's what we call Gene sometimes. Where did I enter this trade? What trade? J Buns. I got them buns. But not the bad buns. I got some nice buttered up buns from Texas Roadhouse ready for you. All hot and sweaty and ready for some trade Getty. Oh boy, at 21 minutes to open. Come on, let's get fun on this new account. Let's do it. I got you. I'll do my best. I'm about to unleash pay down early today. About to unleash the dogs early. I got my coffee. It's already here. I went and got it myself. It's time, guys. Paydon has entered the building early. Paydon has entered the arena. Hey, Jdun, watching you for a while. This Christmas, I decided to do DOD and have lost 45 pounds building my savings and will join soon the Discord. Just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for being DOD. That's amazing, bro. And I love seeing your guys' success stories with DOD. It just warms my heart. It just warms my heart. Paydon has entered the arena, so everyone's aware. Need the bear mask, huh? You think so? What am I going to do with it? I can't get it out for no reason. It's been good to us lately. I need the kangaroo mask. Fine. We got the bull mask. We got the bear mask. Well, actually, we don't have the bull mask here. Ooh. Am I going long or short? I have no idea. crazy. I seen that Tether invested $200 million into WAP. Which values them at $1.6 billion. That, my friends, is a lesson learned. You must take opportunity when it presents itself. Thanks to the DOD, I was able to walk again, get out of my wheelchair, and turn off the stream. That's actually hilarious. You know what? If it gets you moving again, I'm down. T9. Oh, I know T9 texting, Beckmar. I grew up on T9 texting. Anyone else here using T9? Bro, T9 took 10 minutes to type 2 sentences. Oh, yeah, the good old Nokias, good old Blackberries. These kids don't know. These kids will never know. Bro said, chill, Unk. I'm sorry. Can I follow along using MNQ? Yes. Dial-up internet would blow their minds. Probably. Is there such thing as too much discipline? I mean, I guess if it's like, for example, if you're saying discipline and not taking risks, you got to take calculated risks, but channeled right. It's tough to have quote unquote too much discipline. I'd say that would translate into fear. I'd say that's more so fear than anything. Yeah, eventually you just got to pull the trigger. I mean, for me, I'm a defensive trader. So I am very cautious about what trades I put on. But ultimately, it keeps my win rate high, it keeps my R multiple high, and it keeps me keeping money and making money. How much am I up today? Currently up about 287K. I'm trying to get to 500K in the day. So I'm about halfway there. It's been a good morning so far. That's a joke, guys. I'm not up 200 grand. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. I'm actually only up like 180 grand. That's the real number. Not 280. My biggest day ever is 88,800, and that's not a joke. Come on, bro. We see you're only up 75K. I know. Something light. Something light. Six if you can get crossed over. Bro's a hooper. I see you. We got about 10 minutes till open, everybody. Yo, I have Southwest credits. If you catch a 100-point trade today, I will come shake your hand. How about if I come take a trade today? You got to come trade live at the Team Bowl HQ tomorrow. Yep, congrats to Jen on the pregnancy, on the baby bull.
How we doing? How we doing? Gotta get my screen share up. Or my camera on. What up?
I guess I had a Jen.
I'm back. My throat is still messed up. My kids gave me some sort of death bug from preschool. But we're back in action.
Piece of me, piece of mind. The baby's middle name better be DOD. I'll be upset. I'll be saddened if the baby's middle name is not DOD. Oh, well, if I come from KC to trade at the HQ, you better drive that GT2 RS. One day. I actually haven't really driven it. A few times, but not much. Any Team Bowl members going to Daytona Supercross this weekend? Where's that at? If you guys are in Colorado and would like to come trade with me, you can send me a DM on Discord. I'm going to be hosting a few traders live in person tomorrow. I just put out the announcement inside Team Bowl. Short King Jdun come to the World Cup with me this summer. That'd be so fire. Yeah, the World Cup is here, right? In the U.S., isn't it in Atlanta? Is there any games in Denver? El football. I actually like soccer a lot. I'm a big soccer guy. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the Field Fairies. I am a fan. Ronaldo or Messi? Ronaldo. Sorry. Yo, TikTok and YouTube. As a reminder, if y'all get to 100K likes on TikTok, I'll give away a free year inside my private community and team bowl. Same deal with TikTok. Y'all get to 1,000 likes, I'll give away a free year. So make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button if you're choosing DOD. If you want to support the stream, if I've helped you make money, if I've helped you stay disciplined, let's get it. Bonus on top with the prize if we keep the likes moving. I've been drinking so much water, which means I got to piss. I'll be right back. Oh. Let's go. Hello, Invisible Gene. Hey, Ghost. Full port his account.
I don't really have any levels off what much off the open. Just way. The only thing I would consider is the free market low. We don't much. We can pick back up the free market high. Break below. Make that level for sure. That's all I see. Those.
If you want a good prop from account that doesn't have activation fees, the deal of the day is going to be with Alpha Futures. There's 0 account. You can get 20% off with code Jdun. I recommend the 50K 0 account. I'll pin it. I'll post it, the link. You guys can pass it in one day as well, which is kind of cool. Check. You should be able to hear me. That's Cap. Yep, you guys can use code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, or Vanquish. Growth is cool. We got 2 minutes or just about a minute. We got paid unactivated as well, everybody. Have we gone too far if you start having dreams about DOD, baby? You're just getting started. Let's get it, y'all. Market opens in 30 seconds.
Let's do this. Let's keep the win streak rolling. No losses this week.
Yep. Let's get it, baby. I'm gonna be heading out of here early, Grizzly, so I'm gonna have to make you the host in about an hour 15.
All right. Hopefully we're just catching massive winning trades.
Yep. Yep. I gotta.
Busy day, man.
Yeah, I do. I have something. I have a meeting at 11 Eastern time that I have to be on time for. So. Yep. So I will be out probably 20, 30 minutes before that.
Sweet pre-market low.
Look at that picture I sent you, Grizzly.
Send in Discord and
Oh, no. I texted you.
I can't look at it right now.
Oh. I'll send you on Discord. He said, chill out. This county needs to chill. Speaking of which, the market has opened and it is DOD time. Welcome back to another live trading day. It's your boy Jdun Trades, and my mission for you today is to improve your trading by 1%. Do something positive for yourself. Choose discipline over cheap, destructive, garbage, self-sabotaging dopamine. Need you guys all to focus in on following our system, trading smart, managing your risk, and becoming better today. You don't got to run on the hamster wheel of failure anymore with trading. Make the move towards DOD and watch everything change for you. I should have listened to the DOD or revenge trade took over me last night. I'm sorry that happened. Doesn't have to happen again, though. Don't have to happen again, though. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm going to wait the first 15 minutes. You know why? Because I'm DOD. I'm disciplined. I'm DOD. And I woke up locked in. I'm DOD. No dopamine. I'm DOD. Watch me execute on this trading screen. Let's go. That's the energy we're taking into today. That's the energy. That's the only energy we're accepting today. Anything else? Not accepted. No negativity allowed today. We're coming in, catching a banger, and choosing DOD. And that's it. That's all. That's the end of the story. Nothing else. I wish I had more for you. I don't. Oh, don't do all of our movement prior. Let's see this. Let's go ahead and mark out our pre-market low. Pre-market low. Let's mark out our pre-market high. I'd love, if we can get a nice short setup, I would do anything. Anything for a short setup. Got to give a shout out to Team Bull Trader C Pony, DOD times 5 accounts, 10K every 8 days, small compounding gains. He just got a $10,000 payout from Apex. Shout out C Pony. Shout out C Pony. That is huge. That's DOD, baby. Love to see you supporting the fam. Gosh, I'd love to see a nice downtrending day. All right, I'm going to help you out here, Andrew. Andrew said, a lot of pressure on me today. I need one more day of 150 or more now to be eligible for my first payout ever. All right, so here's the deal. Here's what you're going to do today. We cannot let today be a day where you have 1 day till payout, you need $150 more, and you blow up. I've seen that happen far too many times to too many traders. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to wait for an A+ setup. When you take that A+ setup, you're going to have a maximum loss limit set. You're going to have your hard stop set. I want you losing absolutely no more than $300 today. Absolutely no more. If you lose up to $300, you are done for the day. You are finished. You walk away, you shut down your broker, your Tradevate, and you wait again for tomorrow. Because what happens to a lot of traders is that you get close to payout, you get 1 day away, and then you just take a losing trade and you go on tilt, and you want to get back down, or you want to get back there, and then everything ends up blowing up and you start from square one. So that's your plan for the day today, my friend. I hope that you listen to it. I can't force you to, but if you don't, what am I going to say? I won't yell at you. I won't be mad at you, but I will be very disappointed in you. You're going to deeply let me down. Do you want to let me down, Andrew? After all that? I sure hope not, bro. Don't let me down, man. Don't disappoint me. A disappointed paid down the sad news. I've done that exact same thing at Jdun and almost did it again, but not this time. Let's go. Okay, still waiting, everybody. Still waiting. You telling me you were disappointed in me would have me ugly crying. No disappointment. Adam, they're working on it. I'm 500 from a payout. I'm nervous ASF. Well, there's no need to be nervous when you choose DOD and you trade a system. Just trade how you've been trading. Don't worry. Stop thinking about the money. For all you guys that are really trying to level up your trading, stop thinking about the money. I know it seems counterproductive, but the more you guys focus on the money and less on this, the candlesticks, the system, the worse your trading is going to get. Just focus on your system. Focus on executing at the highest level and managing your risk, and things will be fine. The more desperate you are, the less it works. I mean, that's facts. It's pretty weird how it works, but the less you need the money, the more money you'll make. The less emotion you have towards the money, the better your trading will be. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I appreciate all y'all being here. If you're looking to choose DOD today, smash that like button. Hit that thumbs up. And if you're on TikTok, same deal. Make sure you tap the screen over and over. I'm also live on YouTube at Jdun Trades. You get full screen share. Jdun Trades on YouTube. We're building up every day. Got to be in flow state. That's facts. That's why I emphasize discipline for you guys in your daily life actions so much. Gotta be in flow state. All right, guys, I'm just waiting for this first 15 minutes to settle. That whip's hard. Here to learn before I start to trade. Love the community supporting each other. Welcome. I'm glad that you're learning before, too. You're going to save yourself a lot of money with DOD. I'll tell you that much. Hey, Jacob, I went from 50 to 500 in live account. Should I take profit or keep it as a buffer? It's tough to say. I mean, honestly, it kind of fits on based on your situation. I mean, the account size is subjective, but 500 is a relatively small account for trading accounts. So take that as you wish. All right, guys, let's see what we get here after this next 5-minute candlestick. All right, guys, let's see what we can get from the market here. What are you watching, Grizzly Glock? You said you're watching shorts? Around pre-market low? Josh F. said, committing to a change right now. I am consistently passing evals and I've had multiple payouts. My problem is after I find a winning trade, close my broker, and go back to work, I find myself opening my broker later in the afternoon and overtrading. So I am limiting myself to a max of 2 trades per day, no matter what, typing it out so I stick with it. And I'll repeat it out loud so you stick with it. You got it, bro. You know the problem. Now fix it. It's DOD right there. DOD is making promises to yourself, staying accountable, and keeping those promises. If you keep repeating the same destructive habits, you're going to keep having the same destructive results over and over and over.
What's up, Jdun?
I was asking what you were watching for. I seen you type something out in chat.
Yeah, I was watching for a pullback. I'm not sure if we're gonna get it.
It was interesting. Everyone that was in here, all the fans that were saying that I don't trade, missed the banger trade yesterday. Just had to stick around for a little bit.
Not for sure.
Had to stick around for a little bit. 15-minute range is in, everybody. 15-minute range is in. 15-minute range is in. I've decided we're making a change in how we address the haters. From now on, every time we see a hater come in, I'm going to say, Benjamin says he never trades. Benjamin, I'm praying for you. May God bless you, and I hope you make more money than you ever imagined in your trading. We're just going to start praying for the haters. We're going to kill them with kindness from now on. I appreciate your support of the stream. May God bless you. Thank you for being here. Jesus loves you. Oh, man. All right. Z, may God bless you. Thank you for being here. You know, I don't know why anyone that didn't enjoy a live stream would show up, but I'm happy they're here. Hopefully I can change their life with DOD. I'd love for DOD to help change their life like it changed mine, like it's changed thousands of your guys's. No, you don't have to hate to get a prayer. I pray for all you guys. I pray everyone follows their rules today. I'm in no trades. There's no trades for me yet. Yeah, how people can wake up and be grumpy gills in the morning, I'm not sure. I wake up and I'm like, I love that I get to come on here and trade and stream with y'all, and this is awesome. This is a blessing. Get to preach discipline, get to preach system, get to preach consistency, all these things that I love. So right now, we are between pre-market or 15-minute low, 15-minute high. We're below pre-market lows. So my bias right now remains to the downside until we break above this pre-market low and 15-minute low. So I need some volume confirmation if I'm going to take anything. But right now, I'm just waiting. Waiting, staying patient, trading smart, and trading safe. You know what I would love to see? I'd love to see us break below this 15-minute low with rising volume, retest back up, and then short with stops above like 265. 230 to 260, 30 some points of risk. My sister is hilarious. She texted me and she sends me a picture and says, "It's almost jorts season." She knows I love wearing the jorts. She said, "It's almost jort season." Yeah, I miss my jorts. Y'all know I love the jean shorts. I rock them. I don't care what nobody says. I'll be rocking the jorts all summer. And I'm going to be 30. I might F around and get some New Balances too. I got the jorts on. I'm gonna get myself a pair of New Balances, a nice forward hat. I'm going. Y'all are gonna call me old. I'll start acting like it. Fine. We're gonna fight fire with fire. You call me old, I'll fire back. I'll wear my jorts. I'll get my New Balances. I'll pull them up, tuck the shirt in. Call myself a grill master. And if y'all we go really crazy, might get a fanny pack. All right, so we got a strong close down here. We're right above the 15-minute low. So I personally cannot participate in that. I'm not going to participate in that trade. In a downside trade right now. We could, like, technically speaking, the 2-bar is valid right here based on just candlesticks. I just don't like that we're right above the 15-minute low. So I'm personally going to hold off on that. There's just a bit too much risk for me. Technically speaking, 2-bar is valid on this pop-up with stops above 266 or 265. But I'm personally just holding off. If we would have had to close a little below, if we would have closed down more towards 220, I would have taken that pop back up, retest, and then move down. So okay entry, technically speaking, but because we closed this candle and wicked this 15-minute low, that's why I didn't participate in that trade. Right there. That's what you see. I use NQ. MNQ and NQ have a little bit different volume. But I use NQ. NQ's the NAS daddy. Yep, NQ's big daddy. MNQ's little daddy. So right now, the reason why I'm watching for the short still is we're below pre-market low, we're below 15-minute low, and we're moving downwards so far. This actually would have been a decent entry, but we closed that candle right above the 15-minute low here. If you guys are on screen share, that's why I didn't take this. No regret there. It could have hypothetically tried it, and it would be paying right now. Just a bit too much risk for me. We'll see if this next candle confirms. But for the future and a trend, that's what I'm looking for with the 2-bar. I'm looking for an aggressive full body candle down, rising volume, and a retracement of that candle to catch a trend entry. Now, what I'm hoping for here, guys, is I'd like to see us move all the way down, have rising volume on this next candle, retrace up to this 50% retracement and up to this 15-minute low, and then put stops above the trend-setting candle. That's what I would like to see as of now. That's my game plan. Don't know. So we'll see if they give it to us. We're in no rush. We're choosing DOD. I tell you guys this every morning. We are day traders, not trade everyday traders. And this is Pokemon. You do not have to catch them all. This is not Pokemon. You don't got to catch them all. As long as you understand those things, we'll be good to go. Yeah, we'll see how this volume goes. We got 40 more seconds. So Here's the deal: is there is times where we're below all key levels, and I'll think about trying an entry if price looks good, but without volume, this trade is automatically lower probability. Automatically. You know, I'm a probabilities-based trader. I want to take trades where I have the most edge, where I have the highest probability to win. Every trade has risk, so if I can minimize that risk, that's what I'm ultimately trying to do every morning. And we get a doji right at that key level. I can't short that, guys. It's tempting because we're below this 15-minute low, but I can't short a reversal candle here. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? We move down. We have a reversal doji here that has equal wick on the upside and downside. Yes, we could reject in here and keep moving, but your probability, your sellers aren't as strong as you'd like to see them. Bacon in TikTok chat asked, does he win all the time? I'll let the chat answer that if I win a lot. Do I win a majority of the time, chat? You tell them. I won't answer the question. I'll let chat decide my fate. How do I do for y'all? Yes, majority, yes. Yes. At least 70%, if not more of the time. That's valid. 70 to 80%, I'd say. That's a good number. Yeah, we might reject here. We may reject here. I have no interest in taking this at the moment. We could see the trend is down. We might see us continuation down, but this isn't the type of candle structure that I want to see. So I'm going to wait till I get an A+ setup. I also don't have as long to trade today. All right, maybe they'll give us a trend-setting candle here. At Jdun wins at life, trading real estate, Bitcoin family community, great role model. Thank you, Marco. Love, bro. Still moving down, but no entries for me yet. No entries for me yet. You'll find that I'm a very patient defensive trader. If you enjoy being constant dopamine and taking a bunch of trades, I'm not the trader for you. I'm not that guy. If you prefer to get more payouts and choose DOD and to have less stressful trading and to build patience and discipline, then I am that guy. You'll like this stream. My goal is you join this every day and you commit to yourself you're going to be 1% better. You're going to be a little more disciplined. You're going to be a little more patient. You're going to be a little more focused. And you're going to follow a plan. You're going to change the tide of your trading. Do jorts help with DOD? Jdun, I'm willing to try that, I'm sure. If that makes you feel better and be more disciplined, I'm down. All right, we might get a trend-setting candle here. Let's see. Yo, TikTok, as a reminder, I'm live on YouTube as well. Jdun Trades, if you want to see my full screen share. We're almost at 2,000 people. Thank you guys all for being here. Hopefully I'm helping you guys with your discipline and your trading. Jdun Trades on YouTube. I appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button and turning those notifications on. We have live trading every day on this channel in Asia session too. And I'll occasionally get on for Power Hour.
Oh, man, you give us a trade.
I know. I was watching for that previous pullback up, but that 5-minute candle just didn't give me the entry.
That's an ugly candle, right? Candle here. Let's have a little more time, a little more volume.
All right, that looks like a good candle. I'm gonna watch for this pullback up.
What, 220s?
Yeah, yep. I think I gotta try it.
Thanks, can give it to us. Man, it had higher volume than the previous at least. It looks decent here.
Yeah, 2. Oh, it's not gonna do it. It's gonna lead. Just immediately. Didn't even give time for an entry at 210. Just touched immediately and went. I didn't take a trade. I did not call a trade. No. I was saying I'll try it if we get up there, but that didn't give. It literally just wicked up immediately to that 50% retracement and then moved.
Approaching the previous week high here. Previous day low. Previous day low, previous week high.
And that's frustrating for sure.
Yes, it is.
I was going to go short, yes. I also...
Going right now.
Man, that's frustrating. We got really close to our entry. Literally got up to 210. And there's some situations where I would have tried that, but it just happened so fast. It just wicked up, wicked down.
Yeah, what was the, where did it push up to on this? I want to see
Two-
how far it went up on
Two,
this candle.
211. But it touched really quick on the...
It went to the 50% retracement of that candle, Jdun.
But it was really...
Right where it touched.
It was really fast. Like it was really, really... On the 1-minute chart, you can look at it. It just touched and dipped.
Previous week low, hit it. It's bouncing. We'll see what it does. Maybe it gives us a pullback.
Man, that sucks. This is a good setup though. If we would have gone a little higher here into the zone, I would have 100% taken that. Like 1,000,000%. Maybe not 1,000,000%, but a lot of percent. So now we wait. I got about 30 more minutes, 45 more minutes of trading. I usually will stay on for like 2-3 hours, but today I have some other important business I got to attend.
Can you all see my chart, Will? Everything on the screen? Sure. Awesome.
Touch previous day low, and then we're aggressively moving up. This might be a little tricky today. I got lucky and I got in and took it. Honestly, been seeing your live for a few and it's been going well. That's awesome. I'm glad that this live stream's been helping you. DOD, baby. If you're new here on TikTok, I would like to say welcome in. I see lots of new faces. I appreciate you hitting that follow button. I'd love to earn your trust and help you with DOD, help you follow your own discipline and turn trading into a part-time or full-time income. So appreciate y'all trusting me with that follow. JC3, Liz, thank you for the follows. Appreciate all you guys so much for the follows and trusting me. It's never taken for granted. And all of you on YouTube, thank you for joining and being a part of our growing live stream. Glad I can be of value to you every day. All right, now, if we move up and we have an aggressive wick up, this is a very tough candle to short because a majority at this moment of our candles wick to the upside with higher volume. So that signifies reversal.
I'm gonna check out the depth on this candle, see what we got here.
High to low of day. Retracement's like 260.
Negative depth is still. Gets real quickly though. It's almost positive.
Look like a Roblox character. Better be a pretty one at least. I started watching you in December, and since then I've gotten a pro account with FFF, got 10K in payouts. On my way to another funded. DOD works. Interesting candle. Nothing for me yet, guys. $213, $175, nothing. Catching winners again today. No trades for me yet, but I got a good feeling we will. Sure hoping so. I hope so. Oh, just staying patient, guys. We're 30 minutes in. This is your reminder to choose DOD. Trade smart, trade safe. We do have pay done in the house. The copy's been secured, so don't worry about that part. Just waiting for an A+ setup. Waiting for an A+ setup, everybody. It is a winning day every day if you follow your system. That's correct. That is correct, my friend. That is factual information if I've ever seen it. Oh, I had my banana today. Banana boy was here. Of course, I had my banana. Guys, remember, I'm a retracement trader. So we need solid retracement with solid risk management. Or were you going to take a trade, Grizzly? Sorry.
No, I was going to talk to Wyatt here in T-Boy chat. No, I'm not drinking any soldiers today. I'm sipping on some tea. I had some pre-workout this morning. I still was feeling it after the gym, so.
All right. I haven't taken pre-workout in like 6 months.
You should try the pre-workout I bought, the Naked brand.
I just, honestly, bro, I just be having some salt. I do like 10 minutes of cardio before I work out, and I just get my heart rate up.
I've tried it both ways, man. I went with a year without pre-workout, and I gotta say, I much rather work out with pre-workout.
Yeah. Have you ever tried sniffing pre-workout? No, I'm good on snorting pre-workout. That's not DOD. Take pre-workout, then trade.
Decide to trap, get the fruit punch.
Yeah, we'll just take pre-workout and trade. Rip a double dose.
Said a shot of vodka was the way to pre-workout for the pump.
I haven't drank in almost 22 months.
Nice, man.
22 months on March 5th. May 5th will be 2 years of no alcohol. Very thankful I made that decision. And no pullbacks yet, guys. I can't. No trades for me. No clear confirmation, no trades. I saw you drink a beer. You definitely did not see me drink a beer. I've had less than 10 beers in my entire life. I hate beer. If I did drink, that's the last thing I'd be drinking. Gross.
I like beer too much. That's why I don't drink.
I've literally tried less than... I think I've tried 8 beers in my entire life. Three of them were when I toured the Coors Light factory in Colorado in college. I did a research paper on Adolf Coors, the founder of Coors, and did a whole tour of their facility. I tried 10 beers last night. It's stupid.
I like the IPAs. Hazy IPA. It's strong. I'll never forget, as long as I will, giving Brandon the shots of tequila, making a speech at that. When he was in Colorado. I'll never forget it. You remember that, Jdun?
What?
Whenever I had Brandon taking shots of tequila at the Team Bull meet in Colorado.
Yeah. Yep. Hilarious. Someone said I'm drinking a beer right now. Helps me calm my mind to get into peak state. That is not DOD. That is not DOD. Wow, look at this move. Give me one trend-setting candle. Just one is all I'm asking for with a good retracement. Hope we get a 2-bar here. That'd be great. I'd love to target 25,000. That would be wonderful. All right. I got to leave in like 20 minutes-ish. So NASDAQ, I need you. NASDAQita, my love, mi amor. I need you to give me a nice... Yep, that's the 2-bar setup too. We'd take shorts at 140 and then have stops at 175. Here's the deal, NASDAQita, mi amor, my beautiful princess. I need you to close this 2-bar strong, retrace back up, and then give us a nice 2-bar. And if that happens, well, Wouldn't you like to know? We'll drop it low. Drop it low. NASDAQ, drop it low. Yep, I'll watch for a pullback to like 140 area too, with stops of like 175. This is what I'd like to see. I'd like to see a pullback up, short entry in here, stops above here, push down. All right, before that happens, I really got to piss again. I'll be right back. I'll sprint back. Take the shorts if we get up there. Wow. Okay, you're not supposed to keep pushing down. You're not supposed to keep pushing down, Nasdaqita. That's not what we talked about. Come on, baby. That's not what we talked about, honey. Wow, guys, it just took out my price target too. Again, here's the deal, folks, is I'm a retracement trader. So if we just see straight down like this with no significant retracement, I don't take that. That's not something I trade. I will wait and stay patient for that A+ setup to come. Is NVIDIA moving down? Tesla's moving down too. Oh yeah, NVIDIA is dropping. NVIDIA is dropping it low. I'm still open to that pullback to like 130 to 140 with stops above 175. I am still open to that setup if we get the pullback up. Dr. Slaughter said, F, I should have listened on my gut at market open. Would have been a huge win today. Well, if that followed your system, then I agree with that. But if it doesn't follow your system and you just want to take something because of a gut feeling, that's not a profitable strategy over time. That's how I look at it. This move up here, this is a setup that I would have taken. I would have taken this retracement 10 out of 10 times. This short entry here, if we would have had a strong close below. It's just selling off with no retracement. That's what it's doing.
Just fell through 25,000 like it wasn't there.
Like butter.
Right through it. On the top of the day, you try to catch the bottom.
Nope.
Opinion.
That's where my biggest losses have came from, is trying to catch bottoms. Falling knives.
When you're trying to catch them, you start averaging down, hoping to bounce. Been there. What did Bowman do? What did he say? Right speaker. Which is crazy because NVIDIA beat earnings.
Yeah, they had good earnings.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get another 2-bar. Let's see that 20. It's such a high.
400.2 bar.
Yeah, that's aggressive. I guess technically speaking, could look for move to like 25,020 with stops at 25,070, 50 points. I didn't take the 15-minute opening range breakout because we didn't have confirming volume.
If we try to short at like 25,000, we still have a big stop.
Yep.
No. Maybe what's the 50% on this candle?
Around 25,010, 25,000 to 20. I'm still watching for shorts in this pop up. I'm gonna see if we can get a short at like 25,030. It doesn't look like it's gonna give it to us today. We're not really getting any retracements. So if we don't get that retracement, I don't trade. Plain and simple.
This might. I don't have to worry about my covered calls now. That should be nice and green.
Don't forget TikTok. If you want to see my full screen share, you can come on over to YouTube. Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. I'd love to see you tap in and join us here. We've been hovering around 2,000 people at a time watching. Thank you guys all that are here. I'd love to see your retracement up to take a trade, but if not, I won't trade. And I don't have as long today. I'm usually on for 2+ hours with y'all, but I have to go a little early today. I have some important things to take care of.
I mean, I love the movement. I just wanted to give us a chance to get in it. This is the days like this, we have this movement. You can catch some really nice trades, but
Yep. I'm even willing to put on some more risk and just no even decent pullbacks. I guess there was that one that was really fast earlier, up to 210. Like, this is the only entry that I can say I quote unquote missed, was this 210 area right here. But it was so fast. It went up and went down. It literally happened in a millisecond. What's the best accounts on Alpha Futures? I recommend the 0 accounts. I recommend their 1-day pass. That's what Gene's been getting his payouts on too. If you guys want to get funded with Alpha Futures, you can use code JDUN for 20% off. They're 20% off still. Great firm. Lots of good feedback. Come on. The only entry that I quote unquote missed was this 211, but it was so fast. It was literally so fast moving back up. Other than that, the straight moves down with no real retracements. No real retracements, I don't trade. Simple as that. I'd rather watch a whole move push down than chase an entry. But that's what keeps my win rate and my R multiple where it is. So literally, as soon as I saw it test that 211, it was just done. Oh, shit. Grizzly's electric just went off. Damn. Grizzly's power went out. Rip. All right. Give us the GLI, Grizzly leaving indicator. Give us a nice move now. Sorry, Grizzly. Take one for the team. We need a banger now. We need a banger now. Come on. Wouldn't that be the worst if you're in a trade and your electric goes off? Or if that 2-bar would have played out? I've actually had that happen where I moved into a new house and I didn't have my auto pay on, so they shut my shit off. I was like, oh no! And I had to scramble and get it turned back on. All right, let's see if we get this pull back up. I'm willing to watch for the short entry up here on 25,020 to 25,030, everybody. I am going to use less size with higher point risk, with risk above like 67. It's my only setup I see right now. Here's how I'd play this. I have to leave here in like 5-10 minutes. So I'd like to see move up to this zone here if you're on screen share. Try shorts here, stops above here. There's also another world where we retest that one like 30 area to 140 with stops above 175. I'm not sure we're gonna get that pullback though, guys. It's not looking like it wants to give us it. That deep retracement. Not sure we're gonna get that. Wow. This is one of those days. There's just no deep retracements, huh? In one of those days, huh? Buyers are stepping in. Are these buyers in the room with us right now? What are the buyers saying? That's just, yeah, see guys, when we don't get deep retracements or any sort of retracement where I could even put on, say, 50 points of risk, I just won't trade. I don't care about fair value gaps. I care about VPA. Maybe it's a sign that I can't trade my full amount of time today, so I'm gonna have to get off in 6 minutes. I gotta get off at 8:35. VPA, volume price analysis. Yeah, for how I trade, guys, the only trade that I would have considered taking today was this retracement after this close below the 15-minute low right here. Whoops, it's terrible. Right here. But it was so fast, it didn't give us a chance to enter. So now I wait. There is a world where I take the shorts here at around 25,020 to 25,030 with stops above 25,065. There's a world that happens. There's also a world if we just bust through this quick where we look at shorts at like 25,120 to 130 with stops above this 175. Those are the two levels I'm watching. I have no interest in longs. I have absolutely no interest in longs, literally none, until we show confirmation. We also have our 50% retracement of the day down at 120. Tough day. What was tough about it? I mean, it's only an hour in. I'd stick around for another hour if I could. I just have commitments today. Tyler, thank you for being here on YouTube. God bless you. I hope you had a great day and you made a lot of money trading. I'm very happy you're here, and I'm praying for you. You don't try to catch a falling knife. Here's the deal too, guys. If you want access to my Zoom link tomorrow, if you want access to my private stream that I host, I make it free once a week for you guys on Free Friday. You can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. If you mention me and mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to Free Friday tomorrow, I'll get you the link. All right? You can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. And once I'm done with my meetings, I will get that to you. JDUN Trades on Instagram. You guys can send me a DM there. If you send the DM right now, I'll get to you in the next few hours. Yep, so J Dunn Trades. One word on Instagram. Send me a DM. I'll get you the link to my private community tomorrow. It's also the only place I answer DMs for your safety. It's verified with 328K. So, all right, y'all. I'm going to leave this Zoom active in case Grizzly gets back on, but it'll be muted. And actually, no, I won't. I have to get off. Never mind. I have to leave. So if Grizzly gets back on, I'll just have him get on stages or start new Zoom. All right, y'all. I got him off for the day. Sorry, I'd typically stay on for another hour with you guys. Here's the game plan. I have two levels on watch. I would either A, watch for this retest back up to 25,020 area in here with stops above 25,065. And second, I would watch for a test back up to 25,130-ish in here, up here on screen share with stops above 25,175. Those are the two areas I'd watch for a retest for shorts, for continuation to the downside. All right? I will be live again, potentially for Power Hour, for sure tomorrow morning for New York session. So thank you all for being here with me. Trade smart, trade safe. Shoot. Oh, you're good. You're good. All right. I'm gonna make you the host. I gotta go. So, all right, y'all. I will see you guys later. God bless. Choose DOD, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Adios, everybody. Bye.